Hi everyone! I want to show you how you crochet a double dot or a reversible dot. I crocheted these with single strands of cotton. So the white yarn, the white cotton and the color is also crocheted with a single strand. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to use white yarn, a bit thicker for the base, and a double strand of red yarn for the dots. In advance you need to consider where you want to put your dots. If you want it in the middle, then you need to crochet an uneven amount of single crochets. So I crocheted 11 and I'm going to make the dot in the 6th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, and then another 5, obviously. You can crochet these with single crochets and then the dots with double crochets, but you can also change them for triple crochets or, yeah, like I said, double yarn or maybe even triple yarn. Just as you please. It's going to make the dot smaller or bigger. Yeah, okay, let's start. Since I want the dot in the 6th stitch, I'm going to only half finish the last stitch, the previous stitch. Now I'm going to attach the new yarn, just like that. I leave it hanging, yarn over into the next stitch. So I leave the white yarn and the red ends, I just leave them hanging. I make my double crochet. I don't finish it. Another time in the same stitch. So 2, 3. Oh, I need more yarn. 4, 5, more yarn. Okay, and now I'm going to pull my yarn through all the 5 loops, or actually 10 in this case, but there are 5 loops on my hook. 6, sorry, I forgot about this one. Now I'm sort of going to pull this more tight, and the same for the white end. And now I'm going to crochet 3 single crochets or chains, sorry, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to crochet in the first chain over here. These 3, or actually these 2, count as the first double crochet. So now I'm going to crochet the second double crochet in this chain. So yarn over, like that, pull through 2 loops, and one more time, 3, 4, 5. See, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. Now I'm going to leave this one hanging, this bit, and I pick up the white yarn. I pull it a little bit tight, not too tight, and then I pull through all loops on my hook. And now I'm going to crochet into the same space as the 5 double crochets. So I put my hook through from the back into the front, pull yarn over, pull through, and pull through the white loop. That's it. Now I'm going to continue with the other 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop. It's a bit tight. You can always see that when I do a tutorial, it won't work as I want to. I'll just cut this bit. Oh, I forgot to mention you need quite a bit of yarn. I forgot to do that. So I'll just do it on this side. Like that. Now I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'll just pull this a little bit more tight and this one too. And you see that the dot is forming. So you skip this part because this is the 6th stitch. And now I'm going to insert my hook. You see 3 pieces of yarn, or how do you say, 3 strands, I think. Put your hook inside under 2 loops, single crochet, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I'll just leave this bit. Now what you need to do after this, pull this nice and snug. You tie a double knot. And then you're going to take your sharp needle and you're going to sew all these loose bits together. So you could do it here, and this you need to sew into this bit. And the good thing is that you don't have any yarn ends because they're all hidden, and you have a beautiful, well, like a pom-pom. It's similar to the pom-pom stitch, but then hidden into your swatch. That's it. I hope you like it. Enjoy.